Hey YouTube, sorry it's been a little while since I made a video. I think I got 6 or 7 subscribers, so yeah, thanks for that. But you probably read the title and you probably know what this is going to be. As I said in the fishing review, I was going to go do some hunting, bird and squirrel hunting with BB guns. So I thought I'd show you what I'm going to be using for that. I'm going to be using Daisy BB gun. At least I think this is Daisy. Yeah, it's Daisy. I don't know what this is called. I tried to find the name of this. The Power Line something. And it's a really good gun to scope it. The scope's really awesome. I'm going to be using this for like sniping squirrels and birds. It's a pretty big gun. Normal size for a BB. I'm going to be getting a revolver to finish off when it like hits the ground or if it survives. It's a pump. So right here you load the bullets up, the pellets up, and once you have that, guess you pull that back. I like to pump it 3 times, so I'll just do it 4 for the power. Put that forward, then you're going to be ready to shoot. Same up there. So, yeah, you heard the noise of that. Kind of loud, not really. I've heard louder BB guns. Yeah, but I'm going to be getting this non-Daisy BB gun. BB revolver. Yeah, so, really good gun. Nice stock, really comfortable stock. Nice grip. And if you, I think you could take the scope off. Yeah. It's kind of like another sight on the end of this. Yeah, really good gun. It has safety as well. I just thought, and I'm going to save up for the revolver. Probably use it. Yeah, that's really it. And yeah, I'm going to be making a survival camping video. Like we're going to skin the squirrels. We're going to take out the livers of the birds, night fishing catfish bait, and then we'd probably go catch some smallmouth. A few 2 bass in his grandma's pond, make a fire, put up the tent, and cook them for dinner. Yeah, it's going to be a really fun hunting and survival camping trip. And make sure you stick around for that this spring. So that's what I'm going to be using, and then the revolver, but I don't even know if I get that, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to save up for it. It's $50. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the 6 subscribers. Bye-bye.